Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal for crypto withdrawals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure PayPal for crypto withdrawals, start by opening the PayPal app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the crypto section on the home screen. Tap on the crypto option to access your cryptocurrency assets. If you haven't bought any crypto yet, follow the prompts to purchase your desired cryptocurrency first. Once you have crypto in your account, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Tap on the transfer button, which is usually located near your crypto balance. Choose the withdraw option from the available transfer methods. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, enter the wallet address where you want your cryptocurrency sent. Ensure the wallet address is correct to avoid losing funds. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Once everything is verified, confirm the withdrawal. You may receive a notification or email confirming your withdrawal request. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which can take a few moments. Check your external wallet to confirm that the funds have arrived. Keep track of any fees that may be associated with the withdrawal process. If you encounter any issues, return to the PayPal app and visit the help section for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.